Hello, my beautiful people. My name is Hans Link, and welcome to my channel, Abstract Art Boutique. Today, I'm going to be painting 16 by 20 acrylic on canvas. I use Artist Loft acrylic paints, and yeah, we got a white base going right here, and I'm throwing some totally beachy vibes colors. That is the theme for this one. So a little sand color, a little water, a little splash. Again, most of my art is very fluid, and always trying to find balance in my paintings. If I don't feel like there's enough of that going on, I try to tweak as much as I can without overdoing it. If you do too much to a single painting, it can be not a positive thing. Again, strawing over here, using my straw all the way throughout, and adding where I felt needed anything added. Until I get that look I'm going for. It's never anything premeditated, but you do have an idea of what you're going for. Here, I really love how white and blue in general, the contrast. It looks really cool. It can have a cloud-like effect, or very water-like, very fluid looking. And over here, I was getting a pretty cool reaction with the white and the blue, so I kept at it because it was working for me. I'm not sponsored by any products I mention or any products you see here. Just want to throw that out there. Using my trusty blow dryer. And I assure you, if you're into these kind of paintings, you're gonna like what you see. And if you do like what you see and want to see any future paintings, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna continue sharing these with you and bring some color to your life. And this gold and white addition here towards the end is going to look great. Well, it's not gold, but sandy, dark sand color is what I was going for here. Yes. Totally digging it. Hope you like it. And if you do, well, I'm glad you did. I'm a fan of my paintings. I know it's not for everyone, but if it is, well, glad to share it with you. Here's the final, dried up and ready to go. Beachy vibes. Thank you for joining me on my channel at Abstract Art Boutique. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye.